Finding the right apartment in a challenging Manhattan real estate market is never easy. But for one lucky buyer, we may have solved the puzzle.
Okay, Andrew, tell me about this new buyer, and let's see if we have something to make their dreams come true.
Amelia, we've had some challenging buyers, but this one, they really want it all. They want 3 bedrooms, but they each need their own bathroom, and a 4th flex space that could double as a guest room on occasion.
Okay, and what about the kitchen and living space?
Well, they love to entertain, so they want really an open, loft-like dining, live-in kitchen area.
Any special needs that you forgot about?
Boy, one of the buyers is really noise sensitive, does not want the primary bedroom facing the street. And did I mention they're both clothes horses? They want storage. Wow. Yeah, still wow.
Andrew, I have a great idea for them, but any other last requirements?
Yes, they want a dedicated home office. And did I mention the deal breaker? They want a vented washer dryer.
Well, I think I have a great idea.
Well, Amelia, I did leave 2 things out. The first is often problematic. They love the pre-war grandeur, but they want central air conditioning. And they simply don't have the bandwidth to do any major renovations. They want it move-in ready.
Andrew, let's hop on a call with them. I think I have the perfect place for them on Riverside Drive.
186 Riverside Drive was built in 1928 by renowned architect Emery Roth and converted to cooperative ownership in 1970. And it's 100% sold and owner-occupied. There are 24-hour doormen, a live-in resident manager, and mail and packages are delivered right to your door.
186 Riverside Drive is pet-friendly and has a bike room, laundry room, common storage, and a community room, and is located right by the 91st Street entrance to Riverside Park and near the best Upper West Side shopping and restaurants.
Thanks for taking a look at 186 Riverside Drive, Apartment 5BC. I'm Andrew Phillips.
And I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.